Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send money from India to UK with Wise in 2026. For that, you can either come here on wise.com or you can open your Wise mobile application on your device. Just make sure that you sign in into your account and you have already completed any KYC identity verification, which may include providing your details. So when it is done, simply click on the option of send here on the home screen. Afterwards, you just have to basically select where do you want to send money. So since we want to send it to UK, you just have to select that. Afterwards, you just have to enter the amount in INR and it is going to show you the equivalent amount in GBP. So over here you can select the option of paying with, so you can pay with the help of the bank transfer. If you want to make changes into it, you can click on the option and then you can see another available options here. So since currently only bank transfer option is available, it is also going to show you when the other person is going to receive the money, and they will receive it by Tuesday. Afterwards, it is going to show the included in INR amount which is available here. So click on the option of add recipient. Afterwards, click on the option of add over here. Now you can either search for the person by using this particular option, or if you have their bank details, you can provide that. If you want to upload any screenshot or invoice, you can also do that. So here, if you select the first option, you just have to simply look for their name here in the search bar. When you are able to find them, simply select them and click on the option of continue. Afterwards, you just have to basically select the option that best describes the reason for this transfer, and then simply provide these details and click on the option of submit. So as soon as you click on the option of submit, you just have to make the payments, and this way you will be able to basically send the payment from your end, and the other person is going to get it by Tuesday as it is available here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.